Fix File Explorer won't sync to OneDrive. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Reset OneDrive. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 2. Check online version. Select Personal Vault Authenticate Verification prompt. If it's working, add a random new file to the vault. Pause OneDrive syncing on your PC and restart. Start sync again, then check Personal Vault. Fix 3. Pause and resume OneDrive. Fix 4. Enable PC folder backup. Ensure the folders you are looking for are checked, and optionally click Make all files available. Fix 5. Reinstall OneDrive.